Well guys, in today's video we are about to review the Nike Vapor Max EVO. Let's get it. Samanjutsu. Let's get to the nitty and gritty. First of all, look at this box though. I've never seen a box like this, bruv. It's actually a piece of art. Like, I legit tell them I want to keep this box. Okay. Do you know what I like the most about this pair? From what I've seen so far, is the details. There's so much craftsmanship in here. Every single detail. Do you know what it reminds me of? You know, in the movie Man of Steel, the suit that they had, the Kryptonians had here, was the way it was woven. Like, every single detail mattered. That's the same way I feel about these. It's got a little Nike thing going on here. Some parts are shiny, some parts are not. The Nike logo here is shiny. Then we got this part here that's shining in its own way. It looks so futuristic, like, wow, god damn, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? This shoe is the bomb, you feel me? We got the bomb, similar to the other Vapor Max, but a bit different at the same time, but similar. Do you know what I mean? The borders along this side. Take a look at them, appreciate them. And I feel like here the bubble is not as fake. Do you know what I'm saying? And they added certain component. I think they finally came to the realization that you need to add some reinforcement to the bubble, like some slight reinforcement. This is literally art, man. This is art. Literally, no cap. Let me show you guys the inside. Let me show y'all what they got going on inside, man. You know what I'm saying? Go. Y'all see what's going on. You see it. I know you see it. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's what I'm going. So now we're gonna put them on, you feel me? So yeah, guys, let's put them on. So yeah, guys. Yo guys, if you want to make your room look absolutely amazing, make your room look like a spaceship, or make your room look like space itself, go down in the description and click on the link, you know what I'm saying, and get an astral projector at the lowest price possible. Do you know what I'm saying? £25 compared to the £40 industry standards. What they look like, you feel me? They feel so comfortable, man. For real. This is a blessing. This is an experience. And they look so good. Do you know what I mean? This is the on-foot look. I feel like it's properly grounded in the floor. Feels solid and comfy. Do you know what I'm saying? Let me check something. Yeah. Feels nice, man. Feels comfy, warm, and many other things. Do you know what I'm saying? How do you like it? How do you like the look of it? From here. You dig or you don't dig? Let's give it a mark. You know what, guys? I'm going to give this shoe a 9. Yes. Just admire the details and tell me that you wouldn't cop these. And if you say no, I'll tell you you're a goddamn liar. And you know it. You're a liar, bruv. You will cop them. Link will be down in the description. It was your boy Tanasco and I'm out.